Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. So a while back I bought this bed for the Power Stroke and found out I don't feel like painting it. I was just gonna have somebody paint it. I can't find somebody to paint it for a decent price. It's actually gonna be cheaper to go a different route. So this is a 2009 bed, and it wasn't perfect. There's actually just a little dent. I'd have to do a little bit of fixing on it. There's two little dents there. I mean, it's got some just surface rust, but no dents on this. Oh no, there was that dent. But anyway, you guys get the picture. Not a bad, that's like the it for body damage on that bed. But so we're buying a flatbed today. We're actually gonna go look at it today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're gonna go take a look-see and put a down payment and order it today. On another note, Scott, my brother-in-law, is coming over this weekend. Finally, we're gonna wrap up the IDI project that he's been working on. I know I think I showed this about a year ago. It's been a long time, but we're gonna get this engine and everything put back together and see if this thing will run and drive finally. So anyway, let's get on the road and go get that flatbed, go take a look. So guys, like I said when we were looking at the blue 09 bed, I decided to go flatbed. One, I've never owned a truck with a flatbed on it, and a bunch of my buddies and my father-in-law said that they wouldn't have it any other way, so I'm trying on the flatbed life. I ordered, it's a C&M flatbed out of Oklahoma. This new model comes with all LED lighting, which is a plus. A B&W, I want to say, built-in gooseneck hitch. I mean, if you guys don't know, that we do have a gooseneck. We used to have two gooseneck trailers. We're down just to one gooseneck trailer right now. I would like to, in the future, build a car hauling trailer that's a gooseneck for Kyle and I to go pick up flippers on. So, you know, Jeep projects, whatever. So right now we just have the bumper pull car trailer and the gooseneck horse trailer, and then the boat trailer. So this is gonna be, it's interesting. It's got so the tow package on my truck's got to come off because I'm pretty sure this flatbed has a tow package, bumper pull tow package already built into the bed. I'm ordering all the hardware, so basically it's a plug and play. The wiring, I'm ordering the wiring harness with the bed and the hardware to bolt it onto the frame. I've got pretty severe damage on the bed that's on the Power Stroke. Plus, I lost my tailgate this summer when we were hauling hay. I didn't do an episode on that because I actually filmed it, but the SD card didn't save that damn episode. I'm going to take you guys along, and we're going to go look at the C&M flat. This is actually called Trailer World. They've got some trailers there. It's hard getting in there and just looking at flatbed because there's a trailer there that I like. It's a 10,000 rated dual axle tilt deck, hydraulic tilt deck, which is pretty cool. It's hard to go in there and just buy a flatbed. But we can't be buying a trailer right now because we got Bronco shenanigans coming around the corner. Wheels and tires and lift kit for this are ordered. So guys, that's coming up soon. Like I said, Scott's IDI we're actually gonna work on that tomorrow. I'll film that, it'll be out this week. My Bronco's coming up. As soon as that white Jeep's done, guys, when we're back at the house, I'll show you my progress on that. And the white Jeep's almost done, and I can roll the red one, and needs like one night's worth of work. And then those two Jeeps are done. Get those out of our hair, and then get the Bronco rolled into the garage shop, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna start diving into that and getting her roadworthy. I appreciate the hell out of you guys for watching the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Our sub numbers are climbing from the shout out John Fox gave us the other night, last night, yesterday. So welcome to the channel, guys. And we've got a lot of things going on the channel coming up and coming right around the corner. Oh, another thing, if you're watching this video and you're confused because Central Oregon Shenanigans came from another channel, Johnson's Garage. We actually did a bunch of filming over there with Jimmy, and then we decided to venture off and split ways. It was hard for him, hard for us. We're still buddies. You can check him out, Johnson's Garage. I'll put his link in the description below. Also, a link at the end of the channel for a subscribe. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Anyway, we started building this expedition on Jimmy's channel. And we got all the footage back from Jimmy, and now I'm going through making them more, a little bit shorter and getting them up on the channel for you guys. And normally when I do that, I put the date next to the title, the date we filmed that episode, and they're coming out in a row, but there's also the finish up videos on this already out to watch. Something was happening. Didn't sound good. Wheel pressure's good. I think I'm losing my fucking belt. Well, apparently, that the Gates belt the Cummins doesn't like it. It just decided to chew. It decided it was going to chew it a new one. I just lost about half my belt, but we're going to continue on down the road. Nothing else I really can do. Fuck me. I said it was running good. Fuck, I thought I blew the motor up. It sounded like I had a knock or something, but it was the fucking belt slapping off the bottom of the frame rail. God, that gate, I just put that Gates on. I had an alternator bracket break, so it ruined my Napa belt. Got a Gates belt, and apparently I've had good luck with Gates. I think my tensioner pulley needs to be replaced, to be honest with you guys. I think that thing's done. So anyway, with the videos, yeah, there's a bunch left for this build. I got to get done and get onto this channel, so that way you guys can go back and look at those. And people are interested in swapping 4BTs into Tritons. Yeah. Anyway. Those videos, I'm going to put a date, so just look at the title. If you've seen them already, watch them again if you want to. If not, cool. But they're just pretty much reruns of building this is what I'm putting back. I'm going to be putting up on the channel. But I'll put the tag of what it is, and I'll put the date when it was filmed on those guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Trailer World. Woohoo! Some flatbeds. Stuff and things. There we go. I'll catch you in a minute. Just 4. So we're getting one like this, boys, girls. LED lights on the side. It's actually kind of cool. It's actually got a liner on it. That's probably what we'll do with ours, is put bed liner on it. That's not a bad idea. So just got done with lunch, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna go ahead and fix our pulley, our tensioner pulley and belt setup that we got for the old Cummins, and get that done on this episode. Quit procrastinating and just go down here and get this tensioner. I was gonna order it and save some bucks offline, but I gotta have it by tomorrow. I can't keep shredding belts. This shit pulled off of here. I can't believe we made it back. Man, we didn't shred too bad, but we've only got 6 of the 8 ribs left, so man, not happy. Alright, so Cummins genuine tensioner. Yep, we're gonna have to go to the store and get a bolt. This one's too short. I'll see you guys in a minute. Back from the hardware store, I got my new bolt and got a thermometer for the wall up there. So, yeah. Alright guys, let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see, guys. What do you think? There we go, new belt, new freaking tensioner. I got a mess now from what that belt did today. Look at all this. But everything's on. I'm gonna go grab the keys and let's fire it up and test this sucker. So much better. Before that, we'd just sit there and like, yeah, it's fixed. Now we gotta clean the motor because it looks like crap. Alright, on to the next project. I said I was gonna show it to you today. I got this pillar hidden, but look at this. The paint is on. The damage is fixed. The window is back in the Jeep. Tonight I'm gonna finish. I had a screw up down here, so I had to sand it all back down, fix it. Got primer on it. I gotta sand that primer, and then I gotta put a couple coats of white on, and then I'm gonna do one final coat of white. Well, guys, I think we got her done, and the body lines turned out great. You can hardly tell that damage even happened. This is all fixed. This body line's not perfect, but it's all fixed. Those huge dents are gone. So, pretty stoked. My day isn't ended yet. I'm going to continue to work on this. I'm going to get the heater going. I'm going to get my new puppy thermometer hung up on the wall. Actually might hang. I'm thinking actually about putting the thermometer right there on the fridge next to the dry erase board, but I might put it actually above the door over there. I haven't decided yet. I have to sit here. I'm gonna open a beer and I'm gonna think about things, but pretty cool. We got the C&M flatbed ordered today. We got the belt thing broke on the way to do that today, and we got that fixed, and that's done. And that's been something that needed to be done a long time ago on the 4BT Cummins expedition. Wheels and tires are on their way, so we'll have lift, wheels and tires on the expedition soon. I'm really excited about that. Also, the Bronco, as soon as I get this Jeep out of here, that Bronco's coming over here, guys. So Bronco time's coming, and I've been slow at work, so I'm gonna have some time to actually work on getting some videos up of the Bronco. Be sure to send in your rides for Saturday Night Update coming up. Couple pictures, describe what you got going on there, and also don't forget to check out the Fox Shop. Don't forget to check out Johnson's Garage. Those subscribe buttons are at the end of the channel. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Have a good one. I'm going to get back to painting.